Hello, welcome back to our channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's Happy Me on a Budget here, and it's really lovely to be back. I just thought I'd make the videos nice and short in order for me to make more regular ones. I'm doing a quick haul from Pound Stretcher, and they had a lot of things reduced. I got this cup that says Alexa, skip to Friday. Really nice sturdy mug. I needed a new mug because my taller one chipped on the side, so I just threw it away because it chipped. So that's lovely. This was 50p. And I also got these spray bottles. Every year I freshen up my spray bottles because I make all my my fragrant fresheners for the house with essential oils. I managed to get I think it's got a pink one as well. I did take the wrapper off of this one because I can't stand the noise. I got the pink one as well. This one is for specifically for my bedroom, and the rest are like this with the black spray tops. They're for around the house. I got, that's 2 there. I got 5. I got 5. And I'm crazy about bed slippers. Anytime I see bed slippers, I have to have them. I'm so crazy. These ones were, I think they were $2.99, and I got them for $1.99. And they're just lovely. Oh, and they're so soft. And I also got these ones as well. So soft. They were $2.99 and I got them for $1.99. Lovely. I love bed slippers. I've got a few in my shoe cupboard, brand new, so each time a pair's worn, I just go into the shoe cupboard and get out a new pair. So that was it. That's from Pound Stretcher, 50p, and the spray bottles are 50p as well, and the slippers were $1.99. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when we upload our new videos. And this channel you're subscribing to is a hobby and lifestyle channel. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye now.